Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change the default browser on Windows 11 quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. You can also press Windows plus I to open Settings. Now from the left side, click on Apps. Here you will see Default Apps. Select Default Apps. Now choose your browser like this. I'm using Firefox. Now click the set default button at the top. Here you will see mark it as set default. Now Windows 11 will now use this browser for links, websites, HTMLs and PDF to open with this. You can also change if you want. That's it. Now whenever you open any link, it will directly open to Firefox. This is how you can easily change the default browser on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.